All right, here's my Publix haul or heist for the week. This is $116.25 for the goods. All said and done, I had an overage moneymaker of $18.68. And yes, of course, always when I give this breakdown, it includes the tax. So I'm going to keep it real that way. This is for the week of December 2nd to December 7th, or December 1st to December 6th if you're up north. So let me get into 18 best or 9 best deals I did this week, and there's more. And I'm gonna come back because I have this $10 off of 75 that starts the 6th, so I want to use that. But I had to settle for a gas card this week as part of my $18.68 overage. All right, let's get into Cinedust. Got these last week, got them again because they're still on swagbucks. Buy 2 of them, they're $2.99 each, so you pay $5.98 for both of them. You get 600 points back from swagbucks, which is equivalent to $6, and you get $1 for each one from checkout 51. So you're looking at a $2.02 moneymaker there. Muscle Milk got this, and got a couple more of them left. There's a couple days left to get this, so get on that if you haven't redeemed it in your Publix digital coupon. Is $3.49. Publix digital coupon for free, takes off $3.49, made that free, and helps you build up to that $50 threshold so you can get $10 off your gas card, which was what I did today. Jove is back again. It is $2.49, but it's on sale for $1.67, and there's a $1 off manufactured printable. I got the link and the breakdown of everything right below, so you can print that off. And $1.25 from IBOTTA makes that Jove water a 58-cent moneymaker. Ragu sauce, these are back again from swagbucks, $1.99 each. So you buy 4 of them, it's $7.96. You submit 2 of the 2 offers to swagbucks for 4 jars. You get 800 points back, which is equivalent to $8, and then you use these at the register, 50 cents off of each one. This is from the Save 1114, making that a $2.04 moneymaker. Keep it going. Splenda Monk Fruit. I like this one. It's $9.79 is the regular price. So for 4 of them, it's $39.16. However, they're BOGO, as in almost all these deals are BOGO this week. So those come to $19.58 for 4 of them. And I used some Peely coupons right there, $3 off. It was on there. It did expire, but it was on there, so they didn't even look at it. So that took $12 off with 4 Peely coupons. IBOTTA had $2 back times 4, so I paid $19.58 for them. I used 4 Peely coupons, which took off 12. I used 4 $2 IBOTTA, which took off another 8. So that is a 42-cent moneymaker on there. And once again, everything's helping me add up to that $50 gas card. Splenda Liquid. This deal's been around before, and it's back. It's $4.19, and they're BOGO. So when I bought 4 of them, it would cost me $16.76, but since they're BOGO, it cost me $8.38. And from the Save 1114, you're getting $4 off of 2 and $4 off of 2. So it cost me 38 cents for those 4. Carbona Color Grabber, $4.19 for these guys. So for 4 of them, it's $18.02 with the tax included. But they're BOGO, so it came to $9.01. And got this hang tag coupon that was on the Carbona carpet stain removers. So those were, it says off any Carbona product, no expiration date on there. So it clearly went through. So, and there's also $1 off inside the box, so you can use that for next time. So I used 4 of those, and IBOTTA has $1 back, so I used 4 IBOTTA rebates. So paid $9.01, got $4 back from the hang tag, $4 back from IBOTTA, making that $1.01 for all 4 of those. All right, the other Carbona thing, same kind of thing. Hang tag worked for that as well, as they're $3.29. So with tax, or for 2 of them, come to $7.07. But of course they're BOGO, so it came to $3.54 for 2 of them. I used 2 hang tags for $1 off, and I used 2 IBOTTA rebates for $1 off each one. So $2 off from the hang tag, $2 off from IBOTTA, looking $4 off of your $3.54, making that a 46-cent money maker. Finally, last one, Dr. Praeger burgers. These are $3.83 each, so for 4 of them come to $15.32. Except they're BOGO this week, so for 4 of them came to $7.66. And make sure you get the perfect burger, 20 gram. That one is the one that IBOTTA gives you $2 back. Sorry, $1 back on that. And there's also a manufacturer printable, which I got the link below, which takes $2 off each box. And so basically, for 4 of them, I paid $7.66. I used 4 $2 off manufacturer printable coupons, which is $8 off, and 4 IBOTTA rebates for $1 off each one, so it's another $4 off. So $7.66, getting $8 back in coupons, $4 back from IBOTTA, making that $4.34 moneymaker. And then, of course, since I reached $50, it's well over $50, I got this $10 off this $50 gas card. So in total, I had $18.68 moneymaker today, or basically getting this $50 gas card for $31.32. So that's it. So please subscribe. Funny looking guy right there. Check out my more paid to shop videos. Once again, every week I've been paid to shop. You can look at all my past videos every single time paid to shop. And I'm going to do some more deals because I got this coming up in a couple days. So I'll be back.